Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. I hope you and your family are doing great during this pandemic. So today's video is all about Trident Limited. We all know the history of Trident was tremendous when it comes to return and during this 2021 this year gives a huge return and it is following its path. So let's discuss about how the momentum was with Trident Limited. At the starting of 2021 we had seen this year was revolving around 8 to 9 rupees, and we had seen a good upper circuit momentum which leads the share to reach a hike of 15 rupees. Then share goes to consolidation with 14 rupees, and at the second point I marked here we had seen again a new upper circuit for 2 or 3 days. Then share reached a hike of somewhere around 19 rupees. Then share goes to consolidation again. Share reached to 18 rupees, and with 18 rupees it started to continue for till August. And in August we had again seen one more like same momentum that the way this share is doing, upper circuit for 2 3 days and 1 or 2 days of market correction which shows a lower circuit for 1 or 2 days. And from here we had seeing this share is right now at 20 rupees 45 paise on today's date. So now this share is in again in consolidation mode of 20 to 21 rupees. So this is a time where if you wish to purchase, yes, you can go for it and you can purchase, because the targets it sets by rating agencies are good. So if we're talking about Motilal Oswal just given a target of 25 rupees for Trident. So if you wish to book a short term profit, then definitely go for it. And if you are looking for a long term, if you are a long term player, then definitely this share will help you to achieve good goals in your life. So Trident is completely a share which is in news and which is in reach of everyone. This share already been splitted once, and again this share is getting the momentum and reaching good hikes and creating histories again and again. So this share is good for you. If you wish to go, then definitely seek the help of your financial advisor and go for this. Let's talk about some data about Trident. So let's have a look on how the performance of Trident was, and we will discuss all these with the data available in the market and why I am bullish on Trident. I will try to discuss with all these points with you. So let's move on with the factors that are affecting the Trident to be on top. So first thing that is the result of the quarter. We had seen 1945.60% of profit booking in June quarter. So if we talk about this, like in June 2020, this profit is 10.11 crore, while comparing with the current months, in 2021 June, this profit is 206.81 crore. So now the profit raised to 1945.60%, which is a good mark. Let's talk about some data on from holders, how the share holding pattern is. Promoter is 73.2%, and a good figure of 26.98% with public sector, 1.60 with FYI, and DII holds 0.93, almost 1%. So having a investment from foreign investment investors, it's a really good sign for this kind of share. So this share has something special in it, that's why foreign investors are investing in this share. So if we're talking about the shareholding pattern, it looks really good. Let's have a look on delivery pattern. On monthly basis, we are seeing a good deliveries are taking places. Like on August, 44.9%, again 48.8% in July, June 49.7%, May 44.7%, and again in 2020 this has April 48.8. So the pattern is really good. Let's talk on forecasting. So this is where all the analysts are still saying at the rate of 20.45 you can still go for this share, and you can go and purchase this share, and this share will definitely give you profit for upcoming days. And if you are really a long term player, then definitely buy this and forget this, then definitely you will have a good figure in future. Talking about the key matrices, P ratio looks really good. Dividend yield is really good, which means like this share is good when it comes to providing the dividend. And sector PV ratio, it all looks completely good. Like this share is completely good and fundamentally strong. That's why every analyst is still suggesting this share 100% recommended share. So if you really look for a reason to investment, then go for this kind of share, because these kind of share will grow and provide a huge amount in upcoming days. Because the way this share has revolving around 8 and 9 rupees till the time no one was looking for this share, and later on in 2021, starting of the 2021, this share got huge hike of 15 rupees. That's why every shareholders was looking for this share, and this is the reason why this share was in news. Let's talk a bit about more on return. So the reason why every analyst, why I am, everyone are bullish on this share is just because it's return pattern. Like one day and 1 week we can clearly see a negative impact, which is just because of this share is now in correction mode. Likewise, every point when it goes to its upper circuit momentum, then share goes to 1 or 2 3 days of lower circuit momentum, and then this share grabs a consolidation rate at when it was on 15, this year comes down to 14 rupees and consolidated with 14 rupees. That's why we are seeing this kind of negativity for 1 week and 1 day performance. Talking about 1 month, good 12.26%, 3 months 21.75%, 6 months 46.0%, yearly basis to 100.75%, which is really a good sign for this kind of share. Like 2021 starting, this share goes from 8 rupees to 20 rupees 45 paise. So almost within this span, this share covers 3 times upper circuit momentum and consolidated, and again momentum continues. So the best part I like about Trident is its pattern that it follows to provide the return, which is really a good, because within a span of a year, this gives share gives a good 3 times of upper circuit momentum with a consolidation rate, and again continues with its pattern. So if you are looking for a share which can help you with a return within a short span or a long term span, then definitely Trident is one of them and you can go for this. So at the last, I would suggest all of you, please seek advice of your financial advisor. I'm sure that they will definitely help you with Trident and they will suggest you to go for it. And again, do some market research as well, so that you can understand all those terms that your financial advisor will advise you, so that you can invest accordingly. And I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel, so that I can bring all the genuine news related to share market directly to you.